If you talk about Mallorcan herbs, many people will automatically think of the popular hierbas liqueur. However, the fertile fields and the fine growing soil of Mallorca opens up a world of possibilities to anyone interested in herbs. From beauty products to potions used to keep healthy, from therapeutic preparations to natural medicines. These natural products are becoming more and more popular, and many people now recognize the benefits of herbs. Chamomile, as well as making a relaxing tea, is also good for treating the skin or for minor infections. Nowadays, the aloe vera cactus is the most frequently used plant, from cleansing drinks to creams or prescriptions. Mallorcan herbs present a world of possibilities.